What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to quickly add a signature into your PDF document. In my case, for example, I've gotten here this no due form in here, which requires me to sign in every single box in here. So I'm going to show you how to add your digital signature to any document. It can be a different document as well. And do not worry, because this works on any laptop device running any operating system. In my case, I'll be going with Windows operating system because this is the most common one which exists all over the world. But if you've got a different operating system such as a MacBook, do not worry, the process is exactly the same. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I do share cool tutorials as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So this is my document in here, which is in PDF format. It's saved as no due form, and let me quickly just show it to you. As you can see, it's in PDF format, right? So first things first, you're gonna need access to the internet. Trust me, this is the easiest and the fastest way of adding signatures into your PDF file. This is my signature in here. Of course, you need to have your signature already saved. This is mine in here, which is in PNG format, which means that it's saved as an image and it doesn't have any background. It's transparent, okay? So if you have something transparent, it's much better. Now, if you do not have your signature yet, it's easy. You just need to sign it on a paper, take a really good photo with your phone with proper light, and then simply save it into your computer so you can follow up the process in here. I already have my signature digitalized. As you can see, it's already saved in my computer as an image file. So next thing, what you need to do is open up your internet browser. Okay, so here I am, I'm running Google Chrome, but if you have a different one, do not worry at all. So all you need to do is go straight to this website, which is pdfescape.com. Do not worry, I've left the link to this website down in the description box below. So if you have any doubt, simply tap in the link in the description box below. Simply tap on enter. Here we go. It's going to ask you for a couple seconds to load, and then you're going to tap here on use free, okay? Because we do not want to pay anything. Do not worry, do not need to pay. This is a complete free website offering us a service to edit PDF files. This is very reliable. I've been using this website for the past 3 to 4 years. So we've got in here a few options: create a new PDF document, upload PDF to PDF Escape, load PDF from the internet, and load PDF from previously opened file. Let's tap here on upload to PDF Escape, tap on choose file, and then simply navigate to locate your file. In my case, my file is in my desktop, which is known as the no due form. Let me quickly tap on it once and then tap on open. Here we go. It's now loading my document. It's gonna ask you for a couple seconds. So depending on your internet speed, this can be faster or it can take you a couple more seconds. Here we go. It's now loading 100%. It's almost there. Here we go. So here is my PDF document asking me to sign here on this specific areas in here, this rectangles, right? So what we're going to be doing here is pretty easy. Simply tap here on image on the left corner. We've got in here a tool known as image. Tap on it and then tap on choose file. Now we want to locate our signature, right? Mine is located here on my desktop, as you can see, and it's named as my signature, right? Simply tap on open. Now what you want to do next is simply go straight to that specific area where you want to drop your signature. Now you're going to hold the shift key, okay? And while holding the shift key, you're going to draw your signature, okay? So for testing purposes, I'm going to be doing it here so I can show you how to drag it later, for example, if you've misplaced it, okay? So let's quickly select the area I want it to occupy by pressing and holding my shift key. and then release both of the keys, you'll be able to see that your signature has been pasted right here. Now, of course, the best thing to do is to paste it directly here, but I've pasted here to show you how to relocate it in case you've misplaced your signature, okay? So first things first, I see that my signature is way too small. I want to increase it, okay? Simply hold up Shift and then simply increase the size of your signature, right? Here we go. The size has been increased, and then next up, you can simply drag it and drop it wherever you want to by simply using your left key of your mouse, okay? So here we go. I want it to be here, a bit down, okay? And then I want to reduce a bit the size of it so it can fit properly here on this specific square. But of course, holding the Shift key to avoid changing its ratio, okay? So the size remains proportional. Here we go, I've added my signature. Simply tap here outside of the document, and here we go. My signature has been successfully pasted into the specific document. Now, if you want to add it many times, it's easy. All you need to do is just repeat the step, tap on the image, choose file, select your signature, and paste it wherever you want to paste it. Now, do not worry, this yellow highlighted areas in here are not part of the specific website. Like the document that I've downloaded already comes with this white filled areas in here. So do not worry, this is nothing to worry about. It's something just to ignore because it's part of the PDF that has been created this way. Now, just to add up to the video, if you also want to add more information to your document, you can also use here these tools that we've got in here. For example, we've got text where you can actually add something extra. Suppose you want to add your name in here, simply tap here, and then you can add your name, okay? In my case, I'll go with Fixed by Shaq, which is the name of the YouTube channel in here. Tap outside, and here we go. We've got my name already filled in here. This is how easy you can fill and add signatures to a PDF document. Another advantage of this website in here is that you can also erase specific information. Suppose that I didn't like this border line in here and I want to delete it. Simply type on whiteout. It's something that allows us to, on top of that specific information, paint white color. So I want white color to be painted in this area, and boom, here we go. I've already deleted that specific area of the document. Suppose I simply want to delete the email part. Simply select email, white it out. Okay, I'm holding the whiteout option in here. If I want to delete all this section, it's easy. I just need to select all this section, and boom, here we go. This section has vanished. This is how easy it is to edit PDF files with this specific website. Now, once you're done with it, simply tap here on Save Once to save the specific document. And then next up, you just need to tap here on Download at the inferior left corner of the website. As you can see, it's saving my document. Just wait for a second. And once it's done saving the document, simply tap here on Download, and your download should start immediately. Here we go. The file has been downloaded. Simply tap here to locate it, double tap on it, and here we go. My document has been successfully edited, and here we go. It's looking perfect. Now, do not worry, as I've said, this purple or yellow highlighted filled areas are because the document came with the specific information. Do not worry, this won't be part of your specific document. I hope this video helped you, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And also, if you do have any doubt, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.